The order-to-cash or O2C process is a defining part of a company's success, and it plays a huge role in shaping the organization's relationship with a customer. A typical O2C process starts with the order creation and moves all the way until order processing, delivery of goods, and invoicing until the receipt of payment. From our several process mining project experiences, we've seen that it all boils down to how you can identify, handle, and overcome very few but critical pain points in this process. And this is exactly why we have built our PAFnow solution for order-to-cash. Our O2C content pack provides you with an out-of-the-box solution for some of the most common use cases relevant to O2C, and much more. Hi, I'm Swati, and I'm here today to give you a glimpse on how you can use PAFnow to help you improve your order management process. As you already know, customer satisfaction has always been the primary goal for every organization. And in an O2C process, on-time delivery rates play a crucial role in this aspect. PAFnow helps you visualize orders that were delivered late and identify root causes behind them. This helps you draw conclusions on different slices of data. You can exactly see which material group, which country, and so on is related to each of these sales orders individually, thereby revealing your pain points and ways to target them. Working capital is a backbone of an organization's sustenance. PAFnow for O2C provides you with an analysis on your working capital and lets you spot gaps on your cash flow. This helps you evaluate customers with historical late payments as well as current overdues. It also gives you an overview of discounts that were granted to customers despite having paid late. Implementing mitigation strategies towards these areas will directly affect your KPIs like time to cash and help you maximize your working capital. In order to meet your SLAs and retain your high-value customers, it's most important to ensure touchless order processing. You can use PAFnow to visualize the process each customer goes through. This provides you with complete transparency on how many changes are done and how many blocks are placed in each process step. This, in turn, helps you spot areas of improvement in the direction of process standardization, process conformance, and automation potential. As part of the supply chain, inventory management includes several different aspects such as purchasing and storing inventory, as well as order fulfillment. It's vital that companies with complex supply chains are able to strike a right balance of their inventory size. PAFnow helps you to actively streamline your supply-side activities and maximize your customer value. Shop floors can also use PAFnow to prioritize their work list on a daily basis in order to avoid any delays. Potential late deliveries impact customer satisfaction. Outstanding payments, on the other hand, indicate you're missing cash flow. PAFnow's open case monitoring for O2C is designed exactly to cover you for this. Stay on top of your current cases by closely monitoring your process milestones. Using Power Platform, you can take several actions on these KPIs right away from PAFnow. For example, send notifications within your organization. These are some of the ways in which you can use this powerful tool to improve your order management process. I hope you liked this video. Please feel free to reach out to us for any questions you may have.